In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the site abandonment flow in Klaviyo. In my career as an email marketer, I've audited hundreds of Klaviyo accounts, and 7 out of 10 times, I noticed that many e-commerce stores don't have the site abandonment flow set up, and I don't want that for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the site abandonment flow in less than 7 minutes. So let's go. First thing first, let's understand what the site abandonment flow or the site abandonment email is. So basically, this flow are sent to people who came to your website, came to your homepage or your category page, but didn't browse a product. So somebody came to your website. This could be from your Facebook ad or from your social media or wherever, and they went to your homepage or a category page and not viewed a product. So they didn't view any product on your website. So this email is sent to them, as a nudge to remind them to come back to the website. You can see with this graph here, the site abandonment flow are sent to people who came to your home page or category page, while the browse abandonment are sent to people who view the product. Abandon cart sent to people who added to cart, and abandon checkout to people who actually check out, who started checkout. And these emails, you can't send this email to people who are not on your email list, meaning people must have signed up to your email newsletter somewhere before they can receive this email. So to create this flow is very simple. All you need to do is go to your flow section in Klaviyo, then click on create flow. Unfortunately, there's no template for this flow yet in Klaviyo, so you have to build your own from scratch. So what you want to do is just click on build your own. Then you can name it whatever you want, site abandonment. Just gonna put that there. And what you want to do next is the trigger. So you can click on create manually. After that, we want to click on metrics. So the metric is going to be active on site. So you can click on your metrics here and click on API. Then you want to find active on site. So we're going to click on that. Then what we want to do next is add profile filters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you from the one we had before. So add profile filter, and I'm going to be using that as an example here. So the first filter we have is checkout started. So you want to find what someone has done or not done. Then just find checkout started. So I'm going to use this one 0 times since starting this flow. So I'm going to add one more, which is placed order 0 times since starting this flow. So I'm going to do that as what someone has done or not done. Placed order 0 times since starting this flow. And the next one is has not been in this flow in the last 15 days. So we are kind of like using this to limit the time people will be receiving this flow. We don't want this to be too frequent, so we just reducing that a little bit. You can also do 30 days, but I think 15 days is fine, depending on the amount of people coming to receive to this flow. So the next one here is added to cart 0 times since starting this flow. We also have that there. So what someone has done or not done, then added to cart. So this added to cart, if you're using a new Klaviyo account, you might not see this added to cart in this when you're creating this flow, because this flow added to cart event requires you to install a snippet code in Klaviyo and Shopify. So you can watch this video at the top. I'm also going to leave it in the description. You can watch the video to learn how to create the added to cart flow and also add a snippet to your Shopify store. So you can watch the video. But we have this already, I've added as added to cart 0 times since starting this flow. And the last one here is view product 0 times since starting this flow. So you're going to have and view what someone has done or not done. Person has viewed products, right? This one here, 0 times since starting this flow. So we're basically using all these filters to limit people who are going to be receiving this email. We are just using this to remove those people. If anybody has viewed products in this case, they will be in the browse abandonment email, not in this site abandonment email. Another thing to keep in mind, like I said earlier, is these emails will be sent to people who are already on our email list. So it's not like we are just sending emails to everybody. It's going to be people who actually subscribe to our email list. So that's how to set up the filter and the trigger. Another thing I just wanted to show you here is this conditional split here. So we are using this split to like talk to people separately. So we are, if this is sending to people who have never bought anything from us before, we want to speak to them differently to compare to someone who has already bought something from us before. So that's what we are using this conditional split to do here. So you can see here it says has placed order 0 times over all time. So if the answer is yes, they will go down this path. If the answer is no, they will go down this path. So I'm just going to show you an example of what that looks like here. One of the things we like to do, especially for for stores who their founder likes to showcase themselves. So some stores, their founder don't mind talking to the customers directly. So we like to use something like plain text or semi-plain text, which is like notes from founder, right? Not just some heavy design emails. So if this is something that is relevant to you, you don't like to create big design emails, you can also use something like this where you're just speaking to the customers like the email is coming from you directly. So here's an example of that. You can see, so Habib here, founder of my e-com shop. I noticed you on our website not long time ago. So I kind of like hyperlink on our website here. So this is going to redirect back to the website. Very simple email coming from the founder. We're just using this to nudge at the customer and getting them to go back to the website. So you can see here, we also have a button here. So this button is heading back to the website as well. And we are just using this Klaviyo block to showcase the best-selling product. So you can see here, we have some, we created bestseller feed here. And this is just going to upload the best-selling product, or you can just, use a static block and pick the product you want to showcase here. So like I said, it's just a very simple email. If you want, you can have some heavy design emails. But I just like to have something simple like this. And, of course, some collection block. And that just, give us this simple browse abandonment email. You can also have this banner at the top, like, showing your USP. This is something that is relevant to you. You can have a USP there, anything. So that's how to create the site abandonment email. And in the first one for the non-customers, if you want, you can also add one more, maybe just to like, add one more email. If the previous email is performing, you can add one more. If not, you can keep it at one. So that's how to create the site abandonment flow. It's very, very simple. And, you can create this email within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and start making money literally immediately. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, if you find it valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want my agency to help you take care of all of this, you don't want to, manage your Klaviyo account. This is something that we've done for lots of brands like yours. If you'd like us to help you take care of that, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. You can use the link to book a free audit call with me. And let's talk about how we can help you increase your sales and profits with email and SMS marketing. So that'll be all for this video. If you find it valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.